Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that's a bit different from our usual skincare and makeup reviews, but just as essential in the beauty and wellness space. The Master Massage 31 Santana Pro Portable Massage Table. Whether you're a professional therapist or someone who loves giving massages at home, this portable massage table promises to combine comfort, durability, and ease of use in one package. Let's unpack what makes this spa bed stand out and how it actually performs in real life. First off, the Santana Pro is designed to be lightweight and portable, weighing in at just 35 pounds. That's impressive given its size, 31 inches wide and 84 inches long, plus the adjustable height that can range from 24 to 34 inches to suit different settings and clients. It features a clever double luggage-style closure, making it easy to carry and store when folded. This definitely ticks the box for mobility, especially if you're a massage therapist who travels or simply need a table that's easy to set up anywhere. Now, comfort is key when it comes to massage tables, and the Santana doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 3-inch cushion that layers multi-cell foam with memory foam on top. This combination aims to provide firm yet comfortable support, which is crucial for longer sessions where both therapist and client need to feel at ease. There's also an exclusive big top design, which adds extra surface area for better client positioning and comfort. Plus, the adjustable face cradle with memory foam is a thoughtful touch, making sure your client's neck and face are supported perfectly without strain. Durability-wise, the table is built with European Beech wood legs and uses oil and water-resistant cinnamon-colored PU upholstery that's also CFC-free, highlighting eco-conscious manufacturing. This material choice means the table should hold up well against typical spills and oils used in massage therapy, making maintenance easier. The steel support cables are aircraft-grade and rated for up to 1,000 pounds, giving a safe working capacity of 750 pounds. That's a solid reassurance for accommodating a wide range of clients comfortably. In my testing, setting up the table was straightforward thanks to the portable design and included carrying case. The armrests and face cradle are well padded and adjustable, adding to the overall ergonomic design. I found the memory foam cushioning genuinely supportive without being too soft, which is often a problem with cheaper tables that either feel like a rock or a sinking mattress. However, the width at 31 inches might feel a bit narrow for larger clients or certain therapy techniques, so that's something to consider depending on your needs. On the flip side, while the portability is excellent, the table's height adjustment mechanism could be a bit smoother. It works fine, but requires some effort and care to avoid pinching fingers or misalignment. Also, the PU upholstery, while durable, can get warm after extended use, which may not be ideal in very hot environments. A breathable cover might be a helpful add-on for those situations. Value-wise, this table sits at a higher price point compared to some entry-level portable massage tables. But considering the build quality, memory foam comfort, and robust support system, it feels justified for professionals or serious home users looking for reliability and comfort. If budget is a constraint, some alternatives offer similar portability, but often compromise on cushioning or weight capacity. So be mindful of your priorities. Overall, the Master Massage Santana Pro table stands out as a thoughtfully designed, durable, and comfortable option that meets the standards expected by professionals. It's perfect for massage therapists who need a reliable portable solution or home users wanting a spa-like experience without permanent space commitment. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used the Santana Pro or any other massage tables, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing your thoughts. You can find the purchase link in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.